A pleasant day to everyone. I am Nina Laval Quirino and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about agriculture, specifically the agriculture in the Philippines. Are you excited? Well, all you need to do is sit down, relax, and watch the full video. Let's go! First of all, what is agriculture? Well, the term agriculture has been derived from two Latin words. The ager means field and the cultura means cultivation. Agriculture is the science, art, and business of growing crops and raising animals for food, medicine, fiber, timber, and various industrial products. In addition, agriculture involves preparation, value adding, and marketing of the resulting products to generate income. There are four branches of agriculture, namely, first, agronomy, which deals to the production of various crops, such as next, we have horticulture, which deals with the production of fruits, vegetables, flowers, ornamental plants, spices, condiments, and beverages. Next, you have animal husbandry, which deals with the agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock in order to provide food for humans and to provide power and manure for crops. Next, we have fishery science, which deals with the practice of breeding and rearing fish, including marine and inland fishes, shrimp, prawns, and etc., in order to provide food, feed, and manure. When did agriculture begin? Well, agriculture was developed at least 10,000 years ago, and it has undergone significant developments since the time of the earliest cultivation. It changed the way humans lived. They switched from nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyles to permanent settlements and farming. Agricultural practices such as irrigation, crop rotation, fertilizers, and pesticides were developed long ago, but have made great strides in the past century. In the past century, agriculture has been characterized by enhanced productivity, the substitute of labor for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, selective breeding, mechanization, water pollution, and farm subsidies. Where did agriculture first developed? Well. Agriculture originated in a few small hubs around the world, but probably first in the Fertile Crescent, a region of Near East including parts of modern-day Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Jordan. What are the importance of agriculture? Agriculture is vital to the overall health of the country's economy. Agriculture is the backbone of the country's economic system. Agriculture is the main source of many people. Approximately 70% of people directly rely on agriculture as a means of living. Agriculture is the main source of national income for the most developing countries. Agricultural sector provides fodder for domestic animals. Cows provide people with milk, which is a form of protective food. Agricultural products like sugar, tea, rice, spices, tobacco, coffee, and etc. constitute the major items of exports of the countries that rely on agriculture. If there is a smooth development practice of agriculture, imports are reduced while exports increases considerably. The growth of agricultural sector contributes to marketable surplus. Many people engage in manufacturing, mining, as well as non-agricultural sector as the nation develops. All these individuals rely on food production that they might meet from the nation's marketable surplus. Another thing is that the main source of raw materials to major industries such as cotton and jute fabric, sugar, tobacco, edible as well as non-edible oils is agriculture. The nation's export trade depends largely on agricultural sector. For example, agricultural commodities such as jute, tobacco, spices, oilseeds, raw cotton, tea as well as coffee accounts for approximately 18% of the entire value of exports of a country. Next, agriculture sector provides more employment opportunities to the labor force that reduce the high rate of unemployment in developing country caused by the fast growing of population. Lastly, but the most important, I can say, is that agriculture provides food security. A stable agricultural sector ensures a nation of food security. We have the next question. What is the current situation of agriculture in the Philippines? The Philippine Statistics Authority reported that agricultural output dipped by 1.5% in the second quarter of 2021 from a 0.5% growth in the same period in 2020. The decline was led by livestock production, which sharply fell by 19.3% as the African swine fever continued to hound hog farmers. Hog production decreased by 26.2% during the second quarter. Poultry production recorded a 2.5% increase with production increments in duck, chicken eggs, and duck eggs. Fisheries, on the other hand, was dropped by 1.1%. Meanwhile, crop production grew by 3.1%, palay and corn production grew by 1.2% and 6.3% respectively. At current prices, the value of agricultural production in the second quarter reached 503.3 billion pesos, 7.2 higher from the same period in 2020. However, from January to June, the value of agricultural production contracted by 2.5%. Now we have learned how and when the agriculture began, the importance of agriculture, and the current situation of agriculture in the Philippines. That would be all for now, and thank you for watching.